Last year, that is in 2024, we have seen political unrest in Bangladesh. After the unrest, there's an interim government that was formed under the leadership of Muhammad Yunus, who was a Nobel laureate. The interim government, which assumed power following the uprising and unrest, has announced its intention to implement reforms in various sectors. To this end, it formed 11 commissions in two phases. In the first week of October in 2024, commissions were established to address electoral reforms, police administration, judiciary, anti-corruption measures, public administration, and constitutional matters. In Bangladesh, the Constitutional Reforms Commission appointed by the interim government recommended removal of the word secularism, nationalism, and socialism from Bangladesh Constitution. The Constitutional Reforms Commission also proposed a bicameral parliament for the country and also a two-term limit on the Prime Minister's tenure and reinstatement of the provision of referendum to amend the Constitution. In the present Bangladesh Constitution, Article 8 of the Constitution defines secularism as a fundamental principle of the state policy along with democracy, socialism and nationalism. And significantly in Bangladesh, there is a paradox. In 1988, Islam has been declared as a state religion in the constitution. On the one side, you can see the term secularism in the Bangladesh constitution, and on the other side, you can see the word Islam as a state religion in the Bangladesh constitution. This is a paradox that was established and existed in the constitution. On the one side, Islam as a state religion, and on the other side, the word secularism. After the interim government was formed in Bangladesh, the Attorney General of Bangladesh has called for removing of the word socialism and secularism from Bangladeshi constitution. According to the Attorney General of Bangladesh, socialism and secularism do not reflect the realities in Bangladesh, as Bangladesh constitutes of 90% of Muslim population. The existing principles in the Bangladeshi constitution, that is nationalism, socialism, democracy, secularism, etc., were established in the 1972 constitution, which was drafted after 1971, that is Bangladesh Liberation War. In Bangladesh, in the year 1977, secularism was removed from the constitution by a martial law directive during the military dictatorship of Ziaur Rahman. But again in 2010, the Bangladesh Supreme Court ruled that the removal of the word secularism in 1977 was illegal because it was done by an unconstitutional martial law regime. The court reinstated the term secularism. So in 2010, the Bangladesh Supreme Court reinstated the term secularism in the constitution. That is, the principle of secularism now coexists with the Islam as a state religion. Both the terms secularism and Islam as a state religion, both were coexisting in the Bangladeshi constitution today. According to the Bangladesh newspaper reports, Bangladesh might see the elections in 2026. Immediately after the elections, there might be reforms in the Bangladeshi constitution. If that reforms go into that radical mode, the word secularism might disappear from the Bangladeshi constitution. Let's wait and see how the things will unfold in Bangladesh.